beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, be sure to subscribe, like this video, as well as press notification bell. If it isn't your first time, like this video and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. So as you can tell, I am in my kitchen. For those that don't know, I started a segment on my channel called Fake It Till You Make It, and it is another episode today, and I think this is probably episode 3 or 4, I'm not too sure. But yeah, basically with Fake It Till You Make It, it is just because we are still on lockdown and obviously not able to go out. So I started a segment where I would replicate food that I would normally order out from my favorite restaurant, or simply food that I would order out on holiday, or you know, outside my house. So yeah, today's Fake It Till You Make It is going to be super simple. I've never had this out in a restaurant, but I was craving mango and avocado, and I thought to make it a bit more exciting rather than just, you know, whatever. So I tried to look up recipes of how I could incorporate that in my meal, which was initially rice and salmon. So what I've done is I've cooked rice already in there and added some herbs to it just to add more to like the smell and the flavor and stuff. And obviously I cut up all the vegetables that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using cucumbers, red bell peppers. I've got some mangoes here, as well as an avocado. I used a whole avocado, but it was super tiny, so it made sense. I used half a mango, a quarter of red pepper, and a quarter of a cucumber, and just chop them up into little cubes because I'm going to be using that for the salad that I'm going to put on top of my roasted salmon. I completely forgot what I wanted to say there. But yeah, so like I said, I feel like it's just a little refreshing meal with a cold salad, salmon, and some plain rice. Really, there's nothing complicated to this, but I thought, why not record it? Also, I will be serving them into these little tortilla boats. If you've never used this before, these are literally so cute. Instead of tortilla wraps, they have tortilla boats, which means you can obviously fill them up with whatever filling you want to fill them up in. And I remember that I used to love these so much in high school, and my mom would always buy them for me because it would be the perfect snack after school. The perfect snack after school. I would go home and literally fill this up with like some chicken, some salad, and I would be sorted for as an after school snack, really. So I saw them today, well, I saw them a few days ago, and I thought, why not try and use it for, you know, as part of my meal. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to use that, fill it up with the rice and the salad, as well as the salmon. So yeah, like I said again, it's not very complicated. It's a very straightforward recipe. I have a piece of salmon here that I'm going to season with lemon, pepper, some chilies, some herbs, and soy sauce and garlic seasoning, just to add some flavor to it. And then I will pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes and have it with some rice and a salad. That's really it. I also have some chilies that I'm gonna add to the salad just to add a bit of a kick to it, but really you don't really have to do that. But yeah, without talking too much, I'm gonna start with this quick and easy dinner idea of salmon, rice, avocado mango salad. Right, so I'm done cooking and that was super quick. So this is what my plate looks like. I've got salmon, I've got the taco pockets, the tortilla pockets, well, tortilla bolts, I guess that's what they're called. And I've got rice and the salad on top of the rice. And yeah, I feel like this is just gonna be super refreshing. I don't know why, but obviously because the salad is a bit like, it's cool. So we're gonna try it. This is such a weird combination, to be honest, because it's so simple but it's so flavorful, and that's what I like about it. And with the salad, if you like onions, some people do add onions and cilantro, I think that's how you say it, but I didn't have either. But then I don't like onions, like I don't like raw onions, but I guess the onions add a bit more freshness to it, and the cilantro as well. But instead of cilantro, I used parsley, but it was dried parsley, and I garnished it as well with parsley. So I feel like you can really play around, but I really like the flavors of the avocado, cucumber and mango together with the rice. Obviously, like I said, it's nothing spectacular, but it tastes very fresh. So yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Thank you so much for watching again. Hope you enjoyed it and I inspired you to try it out. It really is a quick dish to make. Honestly, the only time you spend in the kitchen is seasoning and cutting up stuff, and it takes mainly about 20 minutes to make together. And yeah, and I feel like it's just such like a island sort of dish. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to press that like button and leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video.